Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I am at Anfield to do my weekly Anfield Road Stadium expansion update. So I've got a lot of comments, so I'm going to get straight into the comments today. I will have a look around as I'm answering the comments as well. So anything that needs to be looked at, I'll have a look at. But yeah, I'll get going on these. So in the last video I asked people to, if they wanted, they could ask questions off topic as long as I could bring it back to the subject in hand, which is obviously the stadium. So the first one I'm going to address is an off topic one, and I think it's relevant. They're asking if I'm buzzing about Eurovision coming to Liverpool, and you know what, I'm quite happy about it. It's I'm sure I read a stat somewhere that Eurovision is the most watched event, the second most watched event, coming second to the Super Bowl. So if all eyes are on Liverpool, then yeah, I'm really happy about it. Okay, so get around this side here. Yeah, you can see all 5 backspans are in place now as well, which is good. I'm going to get really high because people are working on that 5th backspan. If you can see that orange crane just there, some guy working on the back of it. I'm getting really high and well above all the cranes. So yeah, have a little fly over and have a look down at them. But yeah, it's a really good thing for Liverpool, the Eurovision. And that weren't the only one. There's another one who said, forget the football, let's talk about Eurovision. So I thought it was relevant to there's the 5th backspan. I thought it was relevant to bring that up. There's going to be a couple of off-topic questions in today's video, which I like. Right. Getting a phone call off my daddy. I'll have to wait. Daddy, you're watching the video. I didn't mean to ignore you. Right. Okay. Let's get to some more comments. Just while I'm here as well, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Failing that, comments make the content on this channel, as I keep saying, and liking the video really helps me get that reach out there. It helps the algorithm and it helps me to grow. So yeah, I appreciate everything. Okay. Will the Anfield Road stand seat more than the Cop? Yeah, it will. I think the Cop's on what, just under 13,000 seats. The new Anfield Road stand's going to have around 17,000, just under, in that region. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but that's what's going to happen. To expand the Cop into Ken Dagley stand would require infrastructure changes. Also, further expansion would require a rail link. Now that I've shortened that down because it was quite a long comment, that one. Yeah, we've spoke about this time and time again about the Ken Dagley stand down here and the Cop. Will they get done? Will they not get done? We don't know. But infrastructure wise, yeah, there's a lot that would need to be done. And to get over the 61,000 seats, we would need a direct rail link to the grounds, which I don't know how they do it. I know over at Goodison there's a disused line over there somewhere, and I'm not sure if there's just an old station. You know what, I might try and do a video on it if there's an old station over there. But yeah, that would have to be reopened, and I don't know if it'd be close enough to the grounds to class as being a direct link to the grounds. The only other way is putting a tram line in from town to Anfield. Can't we see the roof come off during the World Cup and splitting hairs? It's a Nike swoosh and grow lighting. Yeah, so okay. On that one, in my last video when I said the Nike tick, I'm from Liverpool. Grown up in Liverpool all my life, we call it a Nike tick, so I'm not accepting Nike swoosh. I know Nike call it a Nike swoosh, and if you want to split hairs, it's Nike, not Nike. That's how the Americans pronounce it. I'll accept the grow lighting one, okay. I call them heat lamps, but I'll accept the grow lighting one, okay? But I'm not accepting the night tick. I'm calling it a tick. I've always called it a tick. I think everyone in Liverpool's always called it a tick. Okay? Right, where are we now? Yeah, in the photo that I put on last week of the artist impression of the stand, it doesn't show a centre front span. It's not very clear anyway of what it does show, to be fair, when I was looking back at it, because I think once the roof's on, it kind of muddies everything, doesn't it, once the roof panels are in and the glass and all that's on. So yeah, but that's roughly how it's going to look. I don't think it's exact how it's going to look, but that's roughly how it's going to look. Okay, another one off topic. Do I have any old photos of County Road Methodist Church? I can find out for you. Okay, so let's spin around. County Road is sorry, I've lost my bearings. There's the main stand. So yeah, we're over here. So yeah, County Road is down in that direction, roughly, just down there. Let's get more sense on the screen. So roughly centre the screen down that way, just past the park. It's County Road. Okay, I'll have a look and find out for you. Okay, cranes will support the roof. The old roof trusses is coming off. So someone mentioned that. I'm just getting a little bit higher now that I'm approaching the cranes again. Someone mentioned that they're going to have 2 specialised cranes come on the pitch during the World Cup. Now this is a £600,000 pitch. How are they going to do that without wrecking the pitch? If someone can answer that for me. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just curious to how they're going to do it, because I don't think Liverpool will want anything on that pitch. No, but with that, well, let's just get around again. You can see the crane that was on this side is gone. Remember, I said it was taking a break last time. It's completely gone. That one's still there. So I thought they were going to be used to be lifting the old roof on, but obviously not. Yeah, let's have a look down. There's that wooden platform I was on about last time as well, where I think it's supporting the workers working underneath the roof span. Will the cop have the lowest roof? And will I be filming any Beatles locations? So let's turn around and have a look at the cop from here. Yeah, unfortunately it's going to be the lowest stand in the ground. Okay, so yeah, that will have the lowest roof. It's going to be the lowest stand, full stop, in the grounds. Will I be filming any Beatles locations? Yeah, I will be. I've got loads of plans that I want to do, but I'm trying to get as much done with Anfield and Bramley-Moore at the moment, because these aren't going to last forever. And I think it's good to document what's going on, what we're all doing, what all those YouTubers are doing at the moment, documenting what's going on from our various points of views. Okay, just getting it out enough so I can look back at the stand there. Yeah, cause it's looking quite clear down there at the moment as well. There doesn't seem to be much going on. I'll have a look at that left hand corner in a minute. But yeah, I've got loads in the pipeline, so anyone who knows me knows how much I love this city and the heritage of it, the Beatles, everything, Cilla Black, the lot. I'll be doing a lot of history stuff, if you like, as well. So, but at the moment this is taking up a lot of time getting these done. But they're not going to last forever. So we've only got till this, August next year when this opens, and then this is stopped, then that'll be the documenting done of that. Right, I'll move away from that a sec, because I've got quite a lot more to get through. Right, I've always said that I won't get involved in football, politics, and I'll tell you what, a week in football is a long time. Now, I'm saying that because someone's put, what's going on with Liverpool's poor form? What's happened in the last week? Beat Rangers 7-1, beat Man City 1-0. It's football, unfortunately. All teams go through it. It's just, it's the nature of the beast when you're a football fan. It's frustrating, I know, but yeah, that's all I'll say on that, because I really don't want to get involved in football politics. But yeah, I hope that answers that question for you. How will they remove the old roof? As I've already said, someone's mentioned that might be getting 2 cranes on the pitch and dismantling it that way. Someone said they're going to lift it onto the pitch. Oh, yeah, there's loads of different things. Unless I can get to talk to anyone, I'm not going to get a definitive answer on that, but I will try and find out. It's another one off topic. Have I heard of a beer called Bergman that someone used to drink between the 70s and the 2000s? I've never heard of it. I'm not that much of a drinker. It sounds like a German lager, doesn't it? Or German beer, whatever it is. Again, I will find out and I will let you know. But I've never heard of it. Let's get a little view of it this way. And then I'll get down in that corner once I've addressed all the comments. An Australian fan has asked how hard it is to get a ticket for an average match, an average Premier League match. It's very hard, I'll tell you that for nothing. It's yeah, hard, bare none, almost impossible. Is all I can say to that one. Is yeah. What I will do, there's loads of ticket sites out there, so you find people don't want to go to the lesser games. You know, even some season ticket holders, it's not that they don't want to go. Maybe they've got something on and they can't make it, and they sell the ticket. You know, sell tickets face value. There's ticket sites on Twitter. I can't remember the calls, and there's some on Facebook. I'll find them out and I'll let you know in the next video of where to look if people don't want to go to the match. What's happening to the road? Okay, so let's get over there. So there's quite a lot of work going on in this corner. So the road in the original plans is to go round the Anfield road stand now instead of going straight past it. So where I'm looking down there, where them red fences are, it's going to go up, left, along the stands. It's going to go past, cut back in, then continue on the Anfield roads along there. Okay, that's the original plans. I don't know if that's going to change. I don't know if it has changed. I haven't heard anything. Okay. And will there be another level above the back spans? No, that's the roof. Is the answer to that. That's as high as it's going to go. I think it's high enough. As I've said in other videos, I've been at the back of the main stand, and I mean the back, I mean the very back. Football matches and concerts. I went to see Elton John, and I was on the back row. It was miles away. Don't get me wrong, it was a great atmosphere, but yeah, it was just too far away. So I'm glad it's not going to be any further back or any higher, to be fair. Okay, so that's all the comments addressed. Where am I now? 14 minutes into my video. It might be a bit short, so I might cut some out. But yeah, but I'm just going to have a little look down here. There's obviously something getting assembled down there. Does anyone know what the next stage is here? So how are they going to attach these corners? Does anyone know that? You can let me know. I'd appreciate it. Okay, and let's just get along here. A little look along even. Oh yeah, it's the same in this corner. See, the crane's gone from that other corner, and this crane's still here. So they're obviously going to be starting work in that other corner. So I'm interested to see what's going to happen there. It's looking pretty clear down this end. So all the work is going on down there. Okay, so I've rambled on long enough. I've answered a lot of comments there. I will leave it there, guys, and I will speak to you all in the next one. Okay, again, thank you for all the comments that I get, all the likes are much appreciated, and if you like the video, please subscribe, help my channel grow. Okay, speak to you all soon.